guys, welcome back to another R&D Garage video. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. And of course, everybody who's been there since the beginning, mwah, you know I love you guys. So if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram that you saw, we took the big green beast to the snow a couple weeks ago. We went skiing, played in the snow. It was a lot of fun. Didn't really do too much four-wheeling, but we all still had a blast. A lot of fun. But unfortunately, as you can see, she's back in the warehouse because on our return trip, her battery light came on. So this isn't good. Obviously, we don't have a whole bunch of light bars or anything like that. There's no real load on it. We replaced the battery pretty much, I want to say 6 months ago, so we knew it wasn't the battery. We know, we did a little digging, and unfortunately it's the alternator, which is still OEM to this truck. So I did a little research. I was considering the Tacoma alternator for a little bit, but like I said, since there's no real load being put on the battery or the alternator at the moment, I decided to go with a rebuilt Denso. So that's on order. It should be here in the next few days, and so I wanted to give you guys a little heads up. Work on the FJ. I know you guys love that. Okay, did you guys manifest this or what? Did you guys just really want to see me working back on the FJ? If you did, actually, thank you, because I really wanted to work on the FJ again too, and I wasn't quite sure what to do next. So anyway, we're going to give you a peek at the alternator as it stands, and then as soon as the part comes in, we will be working on her again. Okay guys, let's give you a bird's eye view of where that darn alternator is. It'll stay. So if you come over here, you can see that it's not going to be the easiest one to shoot. It's literally right down there. But we're going to try our best, and if nothing else, we'll definitely give you guys a look at schematics and all that kind of stuff, and I'll explain it. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and start her up so you can see what that battery light looks like. So as you can see, that's the only thing that doesn't go away. Not good. Well, thank you guys for watching this short little video. I'm as excited as you to get back to working on my green bean here, and I look forward to showing you guys the video. So at any rate, thanks again for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing R&D Garage videos. Have a great week, you guys.